All the trash in the yard, though. Look at that.
It'll be us.
Who would be?
Oh, I thought you were saying
It's true, though.
Wait, who has Fritos? Come on. Nobody in the house. That could be blowing, Mom. Because we don't even be outside like that.
Well, let's go this way. Up 16th. Family Dollar, but I said let's go up 16th to get a little more distance.
Yeah, what?
A little more distance.
Distance? Oh, okay.
I can't blow you out on this one. You can go 15 miles per hour on the black one.
Yeah, you couldn't go. I was just about to say.
Ooh, I know you could have, but not me. I wouldn't have.